Um, let's open up a keyboard. Probably. Okay. Can you hand me one of those keyboards? Like one of those? Let's do, we got a Pulsar boy here. Will you give me my knife too? It's up in the cabinet. Thanks, baby. FragWatch here. Got a cat. I'll get out of the way again. Like, we all know who's the star of this video. It's not FragWatch. Thank you. Oh, I think I cut the box. God, I'm trying not to damage the box. And I, in turn, damage the box. FragWatch. Low IQ FragWatch here. Don't be entranced by the knife, kitty. Knives are dangerous. I'm terrified that this cat is going to tear up my in-body. I got two of those Liber Nova chairs coming. The new ones. Looking good. We'll see. All right, let's open this up. What do you think, cat? This is the Pulsar ES HE70 Hall Effects 70 Pulsar keyboard. What do you think, Kiki? Yeah. Is this just open or does it slide? What do you think, expert? Are you the expert? Oh, it opens this way? No. You guys can say words about my intelligence after this. Yeah, if you want to like, subscribe, and leave hate words down in the comments about how stupid I am, but how awesome this cat is, be okay with me. All right. All right. Box. Here's the box. I'm like opening it without even showing you guys. There's a box. It's a box. You guys don't care about that, do you? The packaging. They definitely didn't waste any money on it. Okay. Got like, what is this, their logo? Oh, Pulsar, if that's your logo? Is this your mascot? A guy with a phallic coming out of his head? What the Kitty, what do you think of this? What's your first impressions? Okay, let's move on. Oh, let's spill my drinks too. Okay. Getting her out of here. Comes in a box thing. Kitty, don't hit the not record button. I gotta finish this. Okay. It's nice. Here's some slammy boys. Enter. Shift. Space bar. Shift, shift, keys. Sounds nice. I don't even know if you guys could hear that. Whatever. Moving along. This flips open to reveal a bunch of shit. We're just piling it out. I'll review this at some point. I can't even remember which brand that is. I think it's a Ponage board. Might not be. I don't know. Might be. No, you know what it is? It's the Ying. It's that Ying 70 keyboard or 68 or keycap puller. Hey, that's a cool keycap puller. Look at that. Wow, that's really fancy. Okay, cat, I gotta maneuver you past the other keyboard. What do you think of those keys, kitty? Yeah. Okay, we're going fast here because this kitty's getting restless. Hey, you want to chew this cord? You want to chew this cord? Okay, so navigate that carefully. Damn, what an artist. Like, she is weaving through collectibles and statues with such care. She's going to jump over my oxygen machine that I have for oxygen testing, performance, and gaming. Sneak peek. It's kind of a fucking insane hack. And there's the demonetization word right there. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. All right, here we go. Extra switches. Hall effect, boys. You got a cord. It's pretty stiff. You know, it's a cord. Okay, that's the... oh, and we got an instruction manual. Let's see what kind of shortcuts we got here. So do we have media keys on this? We got like a switchy boy. You guys can look up the specs. You're smart. You have brains. This is the open. Here we got you. If you don't have the brain power to open up a manual, or you know, get off their website. There it is. It's a manual. This is dumb. Change that Pulsar. Come on, man. Come on, man. What the hell? What the hell you think? Hey, Kitty, what do you think of all this? What do you think of all this crap? Oh, and a sticker. I should put Pulsar on my license plate too, maybe. Put that on my spoiler. Okay. Take it easy. That was the unboxing of the HE70 keyboard by... Ooh. Very nice. Okay. Check you guys in the next one.